Welcome to another episode of Quick Bites, where today we'll make beet and goat cheese appetizers. It takes just a few ingredients and 15 minutes to make these delicious appetizers. Using cut beets from the store is much easier and quicker, but if you really want to get great flavors, try roasting the beets before adding them to these appetizers. Adding the walnuts gives another layer of texture. And that's it, they're all ready to be quickly gobbled up. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe.